This salad might look simple, but it's got some serious science behind it. I'm currently reading Glucose Revolution by Jessie Inchauspé, and it's all about the life-changing power of balancing our blood sugar. In the book, Jessie shares 10 really practical food and lifestyle hacks that help reduce glucose spikes, and today I'm making one of her recipes that brings two of those hacks to life. The recipe is for a tangy red cabbage salad with pomegranate seeds and coriander. For the recipe, you'll need half a red cabbage, 2 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar, 60 grams of pomegranate seeds, juice from half an orange, and 20 grams of fresh coriander. It's vibrant, fresh, tangy, and it only takes a few minutes to put together. Let's start by slicing the cabbage. This recipe taps into Jessie's veggie starter hack. When you eat veggies before a meal, the fiber creates a sort of viscous mesh in your intestine. It slows down how quickly sugar, particularly glucose and fructose molecules, get absorbed into your bloodstream, which means fewer glucose spikes and better energy levels. So, the idea is to eat this kind of salad before your main meal. It helps steady your blood sugar and fills you up with gut-loving veggies, which is a win-win. Next, I'm adding 2 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar. This is another hack Jessie recommends, having vinegar either before a meal or as part of your salad dressing. If you're having it before a meal, be sure to dilute 1 tablespoon in a tall glass of water and drink it at least 20 minutes before the meal. The acetic acid in vinegar slows the breakdown of carbs into sugar. It actually inactivates an enzyme called alpha amylase, which means glucose is released more slowly into your body. In a study where participants tried this hack for 3 months, many saw a glucose spike reduction of up to 30%. The acid was also shown to decrease the amount of insulin released by about 20%, which is pretty incredible. Pomegranate seeds go in next, about 60 grams. They add a juicy pop of natural sweetness plus antioxidants, vitamins, and fiber. Then we squeeze in the juice of half an orange. Just a splash of citrus lifts the flavors and adds a gentle sweetness. And finally, some freshly chopped coriander, about 20 grams. This brightens everything up and adds a fresh herbal finish. Give it all a good mix and that's it. Tangy, crunchy, colorful, and ready in minutes. I really enjoyed this. It's such an easy recipe, but I love how it also doubles as a little blood sugar hack. Jessie's whole approach is so down to earth. I first discovered her through her interview on Diary of a CEO, and her explanations just made so much sense and were a great reminder. Whether you're already thinking about your glucose or just looking for a fresh new salad idea, this one's a keeper. Try it as a starter before your lunch or dinner and see how you feel. Also, check out Jessie's book for more great hacks such as eating a savory breakfast, moving after eating, and always choosing a savory snack. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe because I make a new video every week, and I will catch you next time. Bye!